When you created the farm, you entered all of this detail, but if you ever have to go back and edit it, this is under farm and main detail. Now note that there is a difference between the main detail, which pertains to this particular farm, and so does billing and notification and preferences and tracts. These items all belong to this particular farm, but there is an owner who could be someone different or might own several farms. So here is the detail of the owner, which might not be accessible to everyone. So let's look at the main detail. If you didn't put in the coordinates for when you first entered to the property, then this thing will wake up and show you 0.00, which is just off the coast of Africa. So let me show you a cool trick on how to get to where you want to be. We know that we're on the western United States. I have it there, so I'm cheating, but if it wasn't there, then at least we know this is the United States, that's the west coast, and I switched to a map view so that I can see road maps. I know that I'm on the border of Oregon. I'm following the roads that I'm familiar with. I find the town of The Dalles. Zoom deeper in, recognize the roads through town, and I come to more or less the point where I want to be. Now I switch to satellite view, and if that's my property right there, I can zoom in, make sure, recognize it, and if I click this button, or if I click the mouse, in fact, it'll locate the pointer for me. The equivalent coordinates were entered in here. Go in, identify your time zone, and fix your phone number. And we need the phone number if we're going to be sending text messages, and it has to be in international notation, which means country code 1 for the US, town code 541, and then my number. The spaces in there makes it more readable, and it's not a problem. The software will just take it out when it makes use of the number. And again, when you've made this kind of change, click the save button.